नाज़रीन, आपको सीधा ले चलते हैं चेन्नई, जहां पर राहुल गांधी अवामी रैली से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
Towards women goes, and I'm a believer that women should be pushed into places of leadership. I think generally women are smarter than men. That's where I come from.
Thank you. Can we have Vishali, please? Vishali.
Hello, Rahul ji.
Hello.
I'm Vishali.
Nice to meet you.
First of all,
how are you?
Fine, sir.
Well?
How are you?
I'm well.
First of all, thank you for visiting our college. And my question is, the opposite party says demonetization has brought no good to the economy. If your party comes to power, what are the measures will you take to strengthen the economy?
Well, first, tell me what do you think of demonetization? Did you like it? Did you like demonetization?
No, sir. No.
Do you think it was a good economic decision?
No.
So I think it's pretty clear the damage demonetization did. It's a pity that the Prime Minister didn't come and take your advice before he did demonetization, because he would have got the right answer, you know. One or two things. You can't have a negative, fearful atmosphere in the country. You can't have an atmosphere of discrimination in the country and then expect economic growth. Economic growth is directly related to the mood of the country. So the first thing we would do is we would change the mood of the country. We would move the country to a place where people feel empowered, happy, and to a place where people relate with each other in a pleasant, loving way. That's the first thing we do. The second thing we do is we feel that the GST that has been imposed on the country is too complicated and it has too many different layers. There are 5 different layers of tax. This makes life very difficult for small and medium businesses, shopkeepers, and young entrepreneurs. Hopefully you might become one someday, successful one. So we are going to reform the GST and we're going to make it one simple tax and as low a tax as possible. Finally, have you heard of a man called Nirav Modi? You've heard of him? Have you heard of a chap called Anil Ambani? Heard of him? Mehul Choksi? Vijay Mallya? Now, what's common about all these people? They all left the country, yeah. And they took thousands and thousands of crores of rupees of Indian people's money. See, the money you gave or your parents gave in demonetization to the banking system, Mr Narendra Modi gave to Nirav Modi. Right? So what we want to do is we want to take the money that is going to 15, 17 corrupt business people like Nirav Modi. Nirav Modi, and open the banking system to entrepreneurs like yourself. So that young women, young men can go to the banks and take loans and build businesses and create jobs for India. How many jobs do you think Mr. Nirav Modi created for India? Nothing. I would bet you the government of India gave Nirav Modi 35,000 crores. I would bet you if the government of India or of the bank or the banks gave you, I'd say 30 lakhs, you would create more jobs than Nirav Modi did. I would bet you that.